How to use coupon code on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can use or how you can redeem a coupon code on Etsy. So the first step is to sign in into etsy.com. Once you're signed in and you're on the home page, this is how it looks like. And then once you're on this page, you can see a number of products you can get or some cool stuff that are available on this site. And then once you've navigated through the site and you're satisfied, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, where you can see the cart option or the cart icon. The cart icon is located next to the your account icon. So just click on cart that way. Once you click on cart, you will be brought to the cart page. On this page, you'll see all of the items that you've added to your cart already. And the next step is to find the items from the shop you have a coupon code for. Alright, if you are buying items from more than one shop, your cart will be divided by the shop. Right, you will see division here already. So the next step is to select the items that you want to get from the shop. Is ensure that these items have a coupon code. Right, once you selected the items, you will see the option apply shop coupon codes. So just type or paste the code into the box, then click on apply, and just like that your coupon code will be used to purchase those items that you've added to your cart earlier. So that is just it. It is very, very simple. The first thing you must note is that the items you're selecting are those that you have a coupon code for. So once you've selected them, select apply shop coupon codes, type the code and then click on apply, and just like that the coupon would be used. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.